Hi guys, it's Reshma, and to solve this question guys, we'll start with writing x term. X is equal to a e theta. So guys, if you note, both x and y are a function of theta, right? So what we'll do is that we'll differentiate both x and y with respect to theta. Okay, so okay guys, and we have two terms in here. Okay, so one is e theta, and other one is sin theta minus cos theta whole, right? So we'll use product. So guys, this is the product rule. So continuing, first let's differentiate a a into e theta with respect to d theta, and the second function will remain the same. We have just assumed the second function to be this. We can assume vice versa also. Okay, so now we'll differentiate the second function, minus cos theta d theta into a theta. So dx by d theta is a theta into the same term cos theta plus a theta. Differentiation of sin is cos theta, and cos is minus sin theta, minus minus plus. Right? Okay. So let's find y now. So guys, continuing, now we'll find dy by d theta. Okay. So again we need to use the product rule. Guys, why we are using the product rule? It is because we have two functions in here, right? They are in like product multiplication. So now we will differentiate the second function, d theta into a, right? So dy by d theta is equal to a theta, similar, right? Plus cos theta plus a theta. The differentiation of sin is cos, and of cos is sin, right? So guys, we didn't notice this earlier, but let's we can further simplify it, right? A theta, and then it will be sin theta plus cos theta plus cos theta minus sin theta. We could have done this for earlier also, dx by d theta. We'll do that. Just let's complete this one first. Sin and sin cancels, so it will be twice a theta into cos theta, right? So one sec. So this is what we had, right? So we can take a theta common, sin theta minus cos theta plus cos theta plus sin theta, right? So cos and cos, so we have twice a e theta sin theta. Cool guys, now what we have to do, now we have to find dy by dx, right? For at theta is equal to pi by 4, if I am not wrong, right? Sorry, dy by dx we need to find, right? I'm sorry. So that will be dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta, guys. Okay, so what we had, dy by d theta is twice a theta by sin theta, guys, right? So continuing, divided by twice a theta divided by cos theta. So as you can see, we can cancel this 2. Okay, this 2 will be equal to 1, like as they are the same. When we divided it will be the same, right? So at theta is equal to pi by 4 dy by, guys, dy by dx, right? Okay, I'm just not writing on the left side, but it's just a continuation. Okay, so at pi by 4, what it will be, dy by dx will be sine pi by 4 divided by cos pi by 4, right? And what's the value of sine pi by 4? It is 1 by root 2, and so is cos pi by 4 also 1 by root 2. So that is 1. That's our answer. Thank you.